Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mazda CX-7 Diesel Sports. Stock reference number 5239. The shape runs from the 10th month 2009 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has a R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. It's got an ECB alloy nudge bar with all fittings. Tidy front bumper cover, right hand fog light, right hand headlight, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right front door has one small dent, right rear door has one small dent, bonnet appears to have no damage, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type, tailgate has two small dents. Right front door has two small dents, right guard has one dent, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, and the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type center console, manual 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.